Good morning, my dear students. This is probability distribution chapter, lecture 6, problem continuation, Poisson distribution problems continuation. Problem 14. If x is a Poisson variate such that 3 into px is equal to 4 is equal to 1 by 2 px is equal to 2 plus px is equal to 0. Find 1 first bit mean, second bit px less than or equal to 2. See, in such problems we have to first write a formula. Px is equal to r e power minus lambda power r by r factorial. Next you write given 3 into px is equal to 4 is equal to 1 by 2 px is equal to 2 plus px is equal to 0. This is given 3 into e power minus lambda power 4 by 4 factorial is equal to 1 by 2 e power minus lambda square by 2 factorial plus e power minus lambda power 0 by 0 factorial. Here r is equal to 0, here r is equal to 4. Okay. Throughout e power minus lambda cancel. 3 lambda power 4 by 24 is equal to lambda square by 2 factorial, 2 into 2 4 plus 1 lambda power 0 1 0 factorial 1 e power minus lambda throughout cancel e power minus lambda. Now this is in 8 times, so lambda power of 4 is equal to cross multiplying 8 lambda square by 4 plus 8, 2 times lambda 4 minus 2 lambda square minus 8 equal to 0. Now how to solve this? Factors. Lambda square minus 4 into lambda square plus 2 is equal to 0. Lambda square minus 4 equal to 0. Lambda square is equal to minus 2. Lambda plus or minus root minus 2. Not consider. Lambda is greater than 0. Lambda square is equal to 4. Lambda is equal to plus or minus root 4 plus or minus 2. Lambda is equal to 2. Lambda is equal to minus 2. Not consider. So finally lambda is equal to 2. Therefore mean is equal to lambda is equal to 2. Now px less than or equal to 2 is, we want px less than or equal to px is equal to 0 plus px is equal to 1 plus px is equal to 2. So e power minus lambda power 0 by 0 factorial, e power minus lambda power 1 by 1 factorial, e power minus lambda square by 2 factorial. E power minus lambda common. Lambda power 0 by 0 factorial 1 plus lambda square. 2 factorial is 2. So what is lambda? Lambda is 2. So 2 square by 2. So we get e power minus 2. This is 1 plus 2 plus 2. So 5 e power minus 2. Using calculator we get 0.498. Problem 15. Given that px is equal to 2 is equal to 9 into p x is equal to 4 plus 90 into px is equal to 6. Px is equal to 6 for a Poisson variate. For a Poisson variate x, find first bit px less than 2, second bit, this is first bit, second bit px greater than 4, third bit px greater than or equal to 1. Okay, first we have to find lambda value. First you write your one and only one formula, px equal to r e power minus lambda power r by r factorial. Now given relation, what is given relation? Px is equal to 2 is equal to 9 into px is equal to 4 plus 90 into px is equal to 6. E power minus lambda square by 2 factorial, 9 into e power minus lambda 4 by 4 factorial, 90 into e power minus lambda power 6 by 6 factorial. Throughout e power minus lambda cancel. So this is lambda square by 2, 9 lambda power 4 by 24, 90 lambda power 6 by 6 factorial. 6 factorial, 6 into 5, 120, 720. So this is 3 times 8 times, this is 80. 90 in this cancel, 80. And lambda square is also cancel. We get 1 by 2 is equal to 3 lambda square by 8 plus lambda 4 by not 80, 8 only. 8. So we get lambda for 4 plus 3 lambda square is equal to 4. Lambda for 4 plus 3 lambda square minus 4 equal to 0. Factorization. Lambda square minus 1 into lambda square plus 4 equal to 0. Lambda square minus 1 equal to 0. Lambda square plus 4 is equal to 0. Lambda square plus 4 is equal to 0. From this lambda square is equal to 1. Lambda is equal to plus or minus 1. Lambda is equal to 1. Correct answer. Lambda is equal to minus 1. Wrong answer. Since lambda not equal to lambda greater than 0 and real. Here we get complex roots. So correct lambda value is 1. Lambda is equal to 1. What is your first bit? Px less than 2. What is your first bit? Px greater than 4. So 1 minus px less than or equal to 4. 1 minus px equal to 0 plus px equal to 1 plus px equal to 2 plus px equal to 3 plus px equal to 4. So using that formula, e power minus lambda by lambda power 0 by 0 factorial, like that we get this step, long step. So e power minus lambda common, we get, instead of lambda you write 1, simplifying, taking LCM 24, simplifying, we get 1 minus 65 by 24 e power minus 1. So this is nothing but 0.9963. 1 minus 0.9963 means 0.0037. Last bit, px greater than or equal to 1 is equal to 1 minus px less than 1. ఇక్కడ ఈక్వల్ టు ఉంటే ఇక్కడ ఈక్వల్ టు ఉండదు, ఇక్కడ ఈక్వల్ టు లేకపోతే ఇక్కడ ఈక్వల్ టు ఉంటుంది. ఇది ఎన్నోసార్లు చెప్పాను నేను. 1 కన్నా తక్కువ అంటే x ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0. 1 మైనస్ e పవర్ మైనస్ lambda power 0 by 0 factorial. E power minus lambda lambda power 0 by 0 factorial. 1 minus e power minus lambda. 1 minus e power minus 1. 1 minus 0.3679 is equal to 0.6321. So already random probability distributions are two types, discrete probability distributions. In this, first one is binomial distribution, second one is Poisson distribution. Here second one is continuous probability distributions. In this, very important one is normal distribution. The most important continuous probability distribution used in statistics is the normal distribution. The curve is called normal curve. Is a bell-shaped curve extends indefinitely in two directions, coming to closer and closer to the horizontal line and ever reaching it means ever intersect. So this is a bell-shaped curve like this. Bell-shaped curve. Here minus 3 sigma, minus 2 sigma, minus 1 sigma. So mu value 1 sigma, 2 sigma, 3 sigma like this. This is a bell-shaped curve. This is known as normal curve, a bell-shaped curve. Extends in two directions, coming to closer and to the horizontal line, and ever reaching it means never intersect. So you write definition of normal distribution. A continuous random variable capital X is said to follow normal distribution if it has probability density function represented by the equation y is equal to f of x is equal to p of x is equal to 1 by sigma root 2 pi e power minus x minus mu whole square by 2 sigma square. In binomial distribution, Px is equal to R, NCR, P power R, Q power N minus R. In Poisson distribution, Px is equal to R, e power minus lambda, lambda power R by R factorial. In this, y is equal to f of x equal to Px is equal to 1 by sigma root 2 pi e power minus x minus mu whole square by 2 sigma square. where mu comma sigma are mean and SD means standard deviation of the variate x and are are parameters. Pi comma e are constants. Pi is equal to nearly 3.14. E is equal to 2.713. E is equal to 2.713. Note 1. Normal distribution have different shapes depending upon the different values of mu comma sigma. For pair of mu comma sigma, we get one normal distribution. Observe this. Mu, we get like this, we get like this, we get like this. Here sigma value 1 by 2, here sigma value 4, here sigma value 10. For each and every pair of mu comma sigma, we get one normal distribution. All are bell-shaped curves. Note 2. The normal distribution with mean mu and variance sigma square is denoted by n mu comma sigma square. Normal distribution with parameters mu comma sigma square or n mu comma sigma also. Note 3. The normal distribution is the limiting case of binomial distribution. When it's n means number of trials. N means number of trials is very, very large. And neither P means success probability nor Q means failure probability is small. N ఏమో వెరీ వెరీ లార్జ్గా ఉండాలి, పి క్యూలు ఏది స్మాల్ అవ్వకూడదు. అదే ఎన్ వెరీ వెరీ లార్జ్ అయ్యి పి వాల్యూ వెరీ వెరీ స్మాల్ అయితే అది పాయిజన్ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్ అయిపోతుంది. ఇక్కడ నైదర్ పి నార్ క్యూ ఈ స్మాల్. Note 4. The normal distribution is the limiting case of Poisson distribution. When its mean lambda is very large very large. రిజల్ట్ ఎక్కువగా ప్రాబ్లమ్స్లో యూజ్ చేస్తాం ఈ రిజల్ట్. ద ప్రాబబిలిటీ ఆఫ్ నార్మల్ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్ ఆఫ్ the probability of normal distribution of the variate capital X lies between two fixed numbers A comma B is probability A less than X less than B is equal to, the meaning of this is the area under the normal curve, the area under the normal curve Px between the values x is equal to A and x is equal to B. X is equal to B, x is equal to B. Here x is equal to A. X is equal to A, x is equal to B. This is the area. This is P, A less than X less than B. A less than X less than B. Two parts are equal. This part equal to this part. Symmetrical about the y-axis. X dash. Symmetrical y-axis. Two parts are equal. Properties of normal distribution. First property, normal curve is a bell-shaped curve and is symmetrical about its mean. In this case, mean is equal to median is equal to mode. The maximum value of ordinate is, when x is equal to mu, we get the maximum value. When x is equal to mu, we get e power 0 is equal to 1. We get simply the maximum value of y is 1 by sigma root 2 pi. Actually, y is equal to 1 by sigma root 2 pi e power minus x minus mu whole square by 2 sigma square. When x is equal to mu, we get y is equal to 1 by sigma root 2 pi. E power 0 is 1. E power 0 is 1. Result, important result. The probability of x, lies between x1 and x2. The probability of x lies between x1 and x2 given the area under the normal curve, from x1 to x2 is given by P x1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to x2 is equal to integral x1 to x2 1 by sigma root 2 pi f of x dx, actual formula f of x dx. F of x is here this value, e power, this is nothing but f of x. Y is equal to f of x. So e power minus x minus mu whole square by 2 sigma square dx. So put x minus mu by sigma is equal to t. X minus mu is equal to sigma t. Dx is equal to sigma dt. Lower limit, when x is equal to x1 implies x1 minus mu by sigma, say t1. Upper limit, x is equal to x2 implies x2 minus mu by sigma, you say t2. You say t2. So we get t1 to t2 1 by sigma root 2 pi. ఈ వాల్యూ ఎంత అవుతుందంటే x మైనస్ మ్యూ బై సిగ్మా ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టీ అనుకున్నాం కాబట్టి మైనస్ టీ స్క్వేర్ బై 2 ఈ పవర్ మైనస్ టీ స్క్వేర్ బై 2 సిగ్మా డిటి. డిఎక్స్ సిగ్మా డిటి. సిగ్మా సిగ్మా క్యాన్సిల్. సో ఇంటిగ్రల్ t1 to t2 1 by root 2 pi e power minus t square by 2 dt. So this is very important formula. This is nothing but integral of this nothing but a function of t1 to t2 substituting upper limit minus substituting lower limit, f of t2 minus f of t1. So p x1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to x2 is nothing but f of t2 minus f of t1. This is very important formula. Normal frequency distribution. Let n be the total frequency and the normal distribution has mean mu, standard deviation SD sigma. Then the normal frequency distribution can be defined as capital N into probability, known formula. Probability means f of x. F of x means this one. Prove that f of x is a probability density function. Probability density function means total probability 1. So to prove my integral minus infinity to infinity f of x dx is equal to 1. Consider integral minus infinity f of x dx. F of x value, so you common sigma root 2 pi constant, you write like this: x minus mu by root 2 sigma t, x minus mu root 2 sigma t, dx root 2 sigma dt. Lower limit, upper limit, no change. X tends to infinity, t tends to infinity, x tends to minus infinity, t tends to minus infinity. Substituting here minus infinity, this is even function, 2 into 0 to infinity. So this value root pi by 2 cancel, we get 1. Therefore f of x is probability density function. F of x is probability density function. So this value is nothing but t square is equal to z, 2t dt is equal to dz. So this is using gamma function definition, we get 1 by 2 root pi. Observe this carefully.